Oh, hi there! Didn't see you there. Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're finally gonna be taking out this bad boy. So now everything is finally disconnected, all except for the linkage to the shifter, but we can deal with that later because it's connected on the inside behind the flywheel. And yeah, we're just gonna have to support the block of the engine with a jack stand, and underneath we're gonna put my hydraulic jug, and we're gonna slowly raise it down. So I'm gonna put the ends of the drive shafts into the gearbox so the fluid doesn't leak out whilst I'm removing it. Finally, after such a long battle, the gearbox is out. There's such a mess down there, Jesus. Well, that's my first time. I guess it's not bad. Alright, let's get into the car. And now finally, the only thing we have left over is the block. And now, this bell housing was left over, and the reason being is because I didn't take off these bolts here. They're all around. I think it's actually, oops, if this spins. Cool, so actually spins nicely and the pistons are going up and down. Cool. Alright, that should be straightforward. Well, that did it. Wow. Still good, I hope. Oh, that's a big piece of metal. Yeah, but it's gonna be alright. Nice. So, now I want to take out the engine block. So what I've done is I screwed in those two screws and put like a little chain and, you know, something comfortable for the hand. And the timing belt is quite strong. So, first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have someone from my family take out those bolts with an impact. And then I'm gonna lift the block, set it aside here, and then put it over here on these pads. Na 3-4, okay? Oops. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Oh, yes. It does. That's the... Well, certainly a celebration in the engine bay is in order. But anyway, let's get back to it. Alright, now that most of the end, well, not most, all of the engine bay is empty. Let's remove the remaining things, little bits and bobs. And finally we can push her out of the garage. I want to remove the bumper as I want to get to some parts. So first we gotta remove this. So now I want to take the lights and, you know, maybe, I don't know, sell them or use some parts of it anyway. So I'm not gonna take out the connectors, I'm just gonna cut it because I want to keep the connectors in case I want to solder. So yeah, so please don't shout at me in the comments that I'm doing something like that. So, finally we have completed the whole teardown of the engine bay with this last piece, which is the fuse box of the inside of the engine bay. Cut all the cables. And yeah, finally we can put back the wheels and push the car out. Oh, I'm exhausted, it's been a long day. You see, it's already dark outside. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode of the Black Pearl Teardown. But for now, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Now I need a beer, something.